We're seeing a shift in the pharmaceutical industry, with drug manufacturers aiming to reduce bioburden by using more intense cleaning regimes. Reducing bioburden is critical to increasing purity and yield. However, Purolite resins have traditionally been unable to maintain performance across numerous cycles when applying more intense cleaning regimes. DurA Cycle has been engineered for caustic resistance. It enables the use of half-molar SIP protocols and reduces the risk of microbial contamination during each cycle. A combination of higher caustic and protease resistance ensures a longer resin lifetime, reducing operating costs and increasing target molecule output. Ecolab is committed to innovation in the pharmaceutical industry and supporting therapeutic drug developers in bringing life-changing medicines to patients. This commitment to innovation can be seen across Purolite, particularly in the advancement of Purolite's product roadmap. In the last 18 months, Purolite has announced the release of 3 new affinity chromatography resins, including DurA Cycle. DurA Cycle reduces pressure on downstream purification, helping manufacturers improve process economics while supporting sustainability goals. Due to the mild dilution of DurA Cycle, greater HCPs, DNA, and other impurities are removed. This reduces the burden on the next chromatography steps. Utilizing DurA Cycle can help drug manufacturers reduce, remove, or replace more expensive steps within the protein purification process.